What is up, YouTube? This is Adrian from Team Dueling Rogue, bringing you guys a card opening with our buddy Ruben, and we have our other buddy over here, Ramsey, sitting over here, and we're gonna be opening up packs and see who gets like the best pack. So, how do you want to do this? You wanna go one by one, like
yeah, we can do one by one.
Take turns.
Yeah.
Rock paper scissors. First pack.
Highest one. I'm trying to get that Oog. That Son Goku and Oog seed of the tournament.
Check.
Is there a leader in each booster pack, or is it only for?
There's a leader in each structure.
Found it.
But not in every booster
Found
pack.
it.
Shit! Fearless fan.
That's
Yeah.
sick.
Yeah. Whole.
Oh my god, I like that.
No, you want
$12.
You want Hyper Evolution Super Saiyan.
How much is that?
For 32.
Let me see. Let me see. Oh, that's full art. Oh shit.
Super Saiyan 4 Son Goku. Okay.
Alright. So
I doubt any of us are gonna actually pull this.
well,
But you have a better set. Your
rock
set-
paper scissors.
Who goes first?
Like who's gonna open first, or Ramsey decides.
You decide.
Ramsey, you decide. Who goes first, and which pack you want to see open first.
Heads or tails?
I don't have no heads or tails. Sorry.
Alright, you
Choose
go first.
But which one out of all three?
This one right here.
Alright, cool.
Go back.
And then once you next.
Now
you
it's gonna be
Yeah.
me struggling to open the plastic.
Next.
Do you want me to do alternancy?
Yeah, and then this one, and then this one last.
Oh man, already struggling.
Reverse, no floats.
There's 12 cards in there. That's worth it.
Yeah.
How much does Pokemon have?
10, I think.
I don't know.
You
You,
go-
you
And it's
have
under-
like
it's-
9.
Yeah.
And it's
9, 5,
cheaper.
and 3.
And it's
Okay,
cheaper.
so show one by one
Yeah,
what the
I'm
card
going,
is.
I'm going to two. So we got Yamcha. Get the Yamcha. Piccolo.
Hey, okay, I might need that one.
No, your Piccolo's green, so you need the green cards. You got Kami.
That's green.
Yeah. I'm separating by the colors. Devora, Gohan. Awkward situation. I actually this is Trunks in that song. I seen it. Boo, Chapsu, Wild Tiger, Vegeta. And for holographics, ooh, wow, these are pretty nice. Double Chop Man, like that. I'm keeping that aside.
Oh, sick! Super rare.
Yeah.
What is
I
that?
got the Supreme Showdown Son Goku. This is oh, this is the one. This is the cover art right here.
Is it?
Yeah, right here. Look, I just need the Vegeta.
Yeah.
If I pull the Vegeta, that'll be tight. All right. Let's
No,
go.
then we're gonna take turns now.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna leave.
So, which one did you want me opening up first?
We're gonna leave these here.
This one?
The
The more holographic ones?
Yeah. I'm actually nice. I'm glad I pulled that one.
Check how much they are.
No, it's not. It shouldn't be that much.
Watch them be like $5 each. Shut up! I have to get this part out.
Oh, it's 8. This one's 8.
$8?
Yeah.
Oh shit! You already
I
pulled
plus.
$8 card.
I plus.
You got your money back, basically.
I did.
Dude, fuck this.
Yeah, the plastic's hard, man. Using the teeth.
Damn, the struggle on this.
But I can't even use it. It's red.
Just get from the triangle on top. See? There you
Oh,
go.
okay. We loosened it up for you.
Yeah, exactly.
I wanted to get it on camera so like switch the cards out.
Alright, so I got Unrelenting Assault Trunks. So that's black energy, right?
Yeah. I'll trade you.
Unyielding Justice Super Saiyan 2 Trunks.
Oh,
So green. So that you see how I say the
Yeah,
names like that
yeah.
full on? Oh, nice.
I don't feel like
Great Protector, Grade 8 Bardock. A
I don't feel like saying all that.
Unwavering Solarity Shuggish. Oh, nice. Stout-Hearted Android 16. So,
Hey,
Unending Awakening. Hidden Ability General Rildo. Is that his name? Rildo?
I guess so.
To save a hopeful truth.
Go.
Goku and the others.
Oh,
Powers
hopeful future.
combined. Kibito Kai. Mega Cannon Sigma Bizu. He's from Super, right?
Yeah,
This guy? That character?
yeah. He's
And there's
universe.
Supers.
He's one of the
Oh,
other
I
universe.
didn't get like a theme like that like you did. Indomitable Spirit Super Saiyan God Son Goku. Then oh my god. A Rising Fist Super Saiyan 2 Son Goku.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
So
that's
we'll
a
just
good
put
card.
that there.
Move these guys out of the way.
See, I got 2
I
now.
mean, you choose this next pack.
This one,
Let me look at this.
Piccolo. Piccolo versus the unnamed hero. Oh yeah, there you go. I think I got the hang of it. Oh yeah, it's open. What do we got here? Ten Shinhan, trading moves. Hidden Parallel East Supreme Kai. Awakening. Hercules.
Oh, lucky!
You want it?
No.
I already
No,
have
like,
it. Shuffle Time, Scuffle Time, Sun Go.
Wait, is this
Goten.
considered rare or this is super?
I don't know.
I don't know what that is.
Raising Edge,
Rare.
Yako.
It's rare?
Because it's on the bottom right.
Oh,
By
is it?
R.
Oh, okay, rare.
Glamorous Strength, Garen. Is that how you pronounce it? Garen?
Is this a... What was that? What?
Garen.
Oh, Giran.
Yeah.
He's from the original.
Yeah, he's from Dragon Ball. They go from Dragon Ball GT, Dragon Ball Super, all the Dragon Balls. Martial Art Chi-Chi. Scuffle Time Boo, Mr. Boo. Boo. Curious Ever Announcer. Wait, Announcer Ever Curious. Wow, I said it backwards. Oh, nice.
No. I was about to say, you didn't pull the $30 card, did you?
I got this one,
Shogun Vegeta?
Shogun Supreme Vegeta. It's not. I don't have a $30 card in this set.
I thought you did.
Pew and Vegeta Power Misuse. Oh, I thought I had the other one.
The
Hold
Maya.
on. I thought I had Majin Vegeta. That's
So you're right now, which is the next pack? This is my next pack?
You sure you don't want the Hercules? I have it already. I don't need it.
Hey, tell him to make a Hercule deck.
No, Hercules is actually pretty good.
Is he?
Yeah. He does some kick-ass things. Like Breeze Effect. Yeah, that's the one I have.
Let me see what we get.
Like
Gorgon Power Bergamo? Is he from Super?
That's
He's from the tournament?
Yeah, he's from the tournament super.
Except they got knocked out.
Quick Rush Trunks. Oh shit! Look! Awakening!
Oh, I have that too.
Oh fuck. Who's this?
That's Goku.
I did an Evolution Super Saiyan 3 Son Goku. Damn, dude, that's
Pretty
sick.
sure I have that one.
Oh, now I have an Awakened card, so that's good. Combination Attack Android 14.
Yeah,
what
I
the
have that
fuck?
Uh-huh.
There was an Android 14? I didn't even know.
There's like
Mega
So many of
Cannon
them.
Sigma Nats? Oh, that was the other robot,
As
right?
of now, there's 21.
Was that the other robot?
yeah from the other universe.
Unwavering
Except
Celerity Swish. Dreadful Duo Android 18. So greens are more Android. Grand Tour Spaceship. Dreadful Duo Android 17. Yo, I got both of the
Yeah,
androids in the same set.
Oh, nice.
Oh my fuck. Grateful Android. Rebirth of Justice. Where's blue? Blue's over there. And then I got a rare, secret rare. Oh fuck!
Wait, Khalifa?
Oh my god.
Nice.
Yeah, let's go, man. Is it?
Yeah.
Is it her awakening? Oh no, Unstoppable Ambition Super Saiyan
That's
Khalifa.
sick looking.
Yeah, there you go.
It does look nice.
Your last pack.
Alright, my
Let's
last
see how
pack.
much that guy is. Shit, how much she is.
I still got more holographics.
But this is super rare. How much? Did you pull a super?
Yeah.
one was
Well,
$8.
this one. What is the rarity? How you can tell the rarity?
The bottom right, it should say it on the bottom right in that little box. SR, UCR.
I got SPR. Yeah, SPR. And
Well,
then
this is SR.
this is R. And this is SR. So I'm guessing this is Supreme.
SPR is
Supreme.
It's got to be a step higher than Super.
Oh,
I don't know
okay.
what SP means, so.
$5.
Oh, that's good.
So I got a
That's
rare,
like the money for the tech back, right?
super rare.
Package are $3.50.
Oh, even better.
In my last pack.
All right, hopefully something good, right?
This
Dude, watch you pull the $30. Or what's the most expensive card?
Now I want to go
It's
buy
like
some
9.
packs.
It's
Is it
9.
I said now I want to go packs later.
Of what? Yu-Gi-Oh or Pokemon?
No.
Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball. Oh shit.
Yeah, let's see what we got here.
Cross your
It's like a
fingers.
Piccolo.
Another
Oh,
Piccolo.
Double.
Oh, that's a counter card actually, is it?
No, it's
Yeah.
a battle.
Oh no. Oh, he's battle.
You
Oh,
you
barrier.
tell-
He's
you can
barrier. He's battle. Battle barrier.
tell. What is it? What is that?
Who's that?
Begrudging,
Whose character is that?
respectful, Piccolo. Stenchful Bacterian?
What the fuck?
It's gotta
That's
be
Dragon Ball. That's Dragon Ball. Trading Mood, Tenshinhan. Scuffle Time, Son Goku. Son Goten. Bam.
Whoa! Wait a minute. That's Goten when he gets older?
Yeah, that's GT.
Oh shit! I
I
didn't
thought
even know.
GT looked like.
I thought he had spiked hip.
I know. I thought it looks like Yamcha, right?
Yeah, I thought it was Yamcha for a second.
Razor Edge, Yakugo. Breast Friend, Chasu.
Wait, oh, best buddy. I thought you said
best
breastfed Chiatsu.
I said best friend. I just skipped it.
Demonetized.
Mighty Mass combined power
Oh,
combined.
who's that? Oh, that's Trunks and Goten. But they didn't even know
Fleet
how they made
Kamehameha. Trust and relationship Popo.
Obama.
That is racist.
Again? The
Announcer
same
ever
card?
curious? No, I didn't get the right one. But Scuffle Time Boo,
Another bill?
and then the Strength of Oob.
Yo!
That's not the one I needed.
How much is he?
They're not.
Last pack for me.
Oh wait, this is the 7th one.
Which
Supreme Showdown Vegeta. This is the 7th one, but I got a different version. I got the special rare.
Is that whole binder already full of Dragon Ball cards? Or?
No. Full of Yu-Gi-Oh!
Oh, you go.
And Dragon Ball, he said.
What size are Dragon Ball cards? What sleeves do they use? Magic, Yu-Gi-Oh?
I think they're Yu-Gi-Oh! Size. I'm not sure actually.
No, there shouldn't be. They're
Alright,
bigger.
so here we go.
So they probably use Pokemon size.
Pressure Assault Super Saiyan Son Goku. Unrelenting Assault Trunks. I'm sorry. Nappa Vegeta's attendant. Look, yes. What? That's why I started laughing when I said it. Kakarot, the child who got away. Hidden ability, General Rildo.
SPR.
Oh my god.
What's
Thinks
the-
he's the best Hercule. Oops, let me make this more down. I didn't know it was that far.
These cards make kind of weird names.
Made to destroy Android 19 to save a hopeful future. Shocking future Son Goku. Is this in GT?
Yeah.
Majin Buu Dawn of the Rampage. Oh, that's the evil version of him. Oh, fuck! Bodyguard Legic.
I'm pretty sure
That's right,
GT.
it wasn't the expensive. Yeah, I think so. And Final Explosion Prince of Destruction Vegeta. What color is that? Is that blue?
Yeah, let me see.
I don't.
Yeah, that's blue.
So I pulled. What's UC stand for?
What do you mean?
Oh, uncommon.
I pulled an uncommon Bodyguard Legic. I pulled a rare Vegeta, super rare Khalifa, and a rare Rising. So, what did you pull?
I put a special rare.
Special.
Yeah, that's what it's called. A special rare. A special rare Supreme
extra.
Showdown Goku. A super rare. No, I think this one's a secret rare. This one's super rare. This is the super rare. Super rare Showdown Vegeta. Well, these two are actually together, except because I got the super. I didn't get the special rare. If I got the special rare, it would have been the cover art. But since I didn't get
This is foil, right? Or no?
Yeah.
Oh, this is $2.
And then I got double chop Nam, and then test of strength Oob, both rares. So I got a special rare, I got a super rare, and then two rares.
What's this? Oh, this is considered a rare, so yeah, this is like 20 cents.
Oh.
Yeah, sadly.
Damn, this
Alright
is-
guys, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.